Some characteristics of epithelial tissue are it has no vascular tissue, so the blood supply happens through diffusion in the capillary beds. These types of cells reproduce rapidly because they are all dying at the top layer, so the bottom layer is having to reproduce rapidly, pushing the dead cells off and the alive cells up. And these cells are tightly packed together. There are multiple types of epithelial tissue. These are simple here, which is single layer cells. Stratified, which are multiple layers. Squamous, which are flat cells. Cuboidal, which are square. And columnar, which are rectangular columns. Some other epithelial tissues are pseudostratified columnar, transitional epithelial, and then glandular epithelial. Characteristics of connective tissue: it provides support and protection, and then framework and fills the space inside the body. The types of connective tissue are mast cells, which are here, which is just a circular cell with the nucleus. Macrophages, which are the same thing, just with fibers coming off. Fibroblasts here, and then collagenous fibers. Types of muscle tissue are cardiac, skeletal, and smooth. Cardiac is the heart muscle. It is involuntary. It's uninucleate, which is one nucleus. And then skeletal attaches to the skeleton or the bones. It is voluntarily movement and can be multinucleate, meaning more than one nucleus. And then lastly is smooth, which is hollow organs. It's inside the hollow organs. It is involuntary, and it is uninucleate, again, which is one nucleus. Some pictures are the cardiac cells, cardiac muscle tissues, the skeletal, and then smooth. Difference between neurons and neuroglia cells are neurons send and receive signals, while the cells protect and provide nutrients to the neurons because they are so busy. Parts of the neuron are the cell body, which contains the nucleus, the dendrites, which receive the signal, and then the long tail at the end is the axon, which sends the signals. And then where is the nervous tissue found? It's found in the brain and the spinal cord.